July ni song pathum ninga ni sang ni somni pathum ania Mizoram Journal chung kuate in zawain du sakna chibai kan buk le veka chu Manipur boina lambok hi hoile teng o Manipur tual chung boina thleng chungchang zir chiang tu National Federation of Indian Women NFIW fact finding team member laka FIR thelu chu India ram hun sang human rights activist civil society leader journalist academic le lower sangkha zanga rual te chuan andem thu chua siamin antalang NFIW fact finding team hian Manipura thil thlengte anjir chian nuwa buaina chuak chu state sarkar hriat pui state sponsor ni in ansoyani hei wang hian team member pathum General Secretary Ani Raja National Secretary Nisa Sidhu le Independent Delhi based lawyer Diksha Dwivedi telaka FIR theluania Manipur Police te chuan India Sarkar do dal tura mipuite fui portum President Governor te anthuneina man luitir tum zonga nor ram inpum khatna ti sezonga thuchwa siam nam pani te in huana ti hluar tum le in tual vuangna thlenti tum zonga thil tia puin thu boi an siam sakani activist le human right body te chuan thuchwa in trom siamin NFIW team laka FIR jialu chu suit tur le an laka FIR jialu ani theina tana diktok lawa thil ti tu police te laka action la kan phut thu antalang thuchwa an siama chuan mi sangkhat zanga chuangin ming an saina anjinga hian advocate Prasan Bhusan activist Kavita Krishnan Amnesty India chief Louis Akar Patel le Yagendra Yadav Association for Democratic Reform co-founder Jagdeep Chokar historian Ramchandra Guha tepo antel Prime Minister Narendra Modi an July ni song palia France Bastille Day ilomna Guest of Honor nitura zintura a inbua saime kara European Parliament in Strasbourg ka plenary session anneya Nimin Khan Manipura tual chung boina thlengmek chungchang soi howani Manipura boina thlengmek hi debate on case of breach of human rights democracy and the rule of law ti mangin chonhulama an soi howani parliamentary group paruk chuan Manipura thani chuang boina thleng to chungchanga Modi kai hoi sarkar malak dan chu soi selin resolution siam turin motion hi an pulutani India sarkar chu na taka soi selin boina thlenga mihring dikna chanvo paljut sarkar soi sel tu te civil society le media te thlenga bei ani dan te soin na takin India sarkar chu an soi sel Prime Minister Modi kai hoi noya democracy din mun chia chhodan te an soi langbok motion pulut tu parliamentarian te hi left European Socialist le Green Party baka regional party tele conservative le center right political le Christian group member te ani West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee kai hoi Trinamool Congress TMC party chuan Manipur buana chungchang zir chiang turin member panga omna fact finding team atir don fact finding team hi July ni songpalia Manipur an thengang Manipura an chan chung hian Trinamool Congress team hian relief camp sang tloin buina chuak tua tu te an komang Manipur tlo tu ta hi Derek O'Brien Susmita Dev Kalyan Banerjee Dr. Kakoli Dastidar le Dola Sen te ani BJP kai hoi ve sarkar lai puile Manipur sarkar chuan in thendarna politics an kalpui wangin nam le nam inkar boina hi achua phani in Trinamool Congress party chuan an soi Manipur Governor Anusulia Uiki chuan an state ta tual chung boina thlengmek chu chinfel ania boruak muan om le thuai theina turin Prime Minister Narendra Modi hena nam sang hruai tu te mutura angen thu soi Governor Uiki hian Thotrani Khan Kuki tamna Kangpok pi le Meitei tamna Imphal East District ka relief camp te atwa hemitum hiam Prime Minister hena ngenna athlen chungchang hi asoini relief kema chengte blanket te asemhal bok tharum thona thlengda chu adem thu soin governor chuan sarkarin manipura boruak tha awm theina tura ma alakna hrang thopui turin mipuite angena buaina chinfel ani theina turin kan thei top kan chuareng ani security force te po buaina chuana lo om zuana munate da zel anlania mani in le lo tlanchi san te po mun hranga anomna tur in sak me kani bok har sana tok te hi zangna domna pek ani ang ti in governor chuana soi manipura namle nam inkara buaina chuak wangin mi za somli pani nunna an chan thule chena in tam tak ba ka biakin tam tak hal ani nuwa prime minister Narendra Modi chu engtong kamma ala nei lo hei wang hian eptu party sang te ba ka civil society organization te point prime minister Modi hi na takin an soi selfawa tun thlenga manipur buaina thleng chungchanga angoi tlat na chani an zot fo to ani manipur tribal MLA te chu prime minister mutum hian New Delhi a po an kal tua ma se prime minister hi an muthei lo union home minister Amit Shah chuan mei ni somni pakwa tanga juni khat in kar khan manipur hi tloin organization sang hruai tu te koma malak ani tur thu te po soi ma se hemi nu apo hian buaina hi ala re lowa in beina ala thleng zom reng ani mitam tak chuam prime minister Modi chu manipur buaina tire tura inrol turin an phut ani manipur sarkar chuan thotan ni khan supreme court a an state a buaina chu ka wanga thi chu mi za somli pani tling to in mei ni thum nuwa in le lo building lak sak report sanga chuang alut bok ni in anril buaina chu ka wanga tlan chia hi mi singruk chuang omin anjinga tamjok chu state chunga relief camp zathum somnga chuanga an khosame kani hetila hian mi sin khale sang ni don chu Mizorama an tlan chia ni in aril Manipur tual chung buaina chuak zir chiang tura tlo tu National Federation of Indian Women NFIW fact finding team chuan buaina chuak chu state sarkar sherpui state sponsor ni in asoya hei wang hian panel member te laka hian FIR thelu ani panel member te NFIW general secretary Ani Raja national secretary Nisa Sidhu Baka independent advocate Disha Dwivedi te ani July ni thum khan panel member te hian press conference nei buaina chuak nam pani inkara buaina ringot ani lowa ram resources militant te thlengin a huam vekani anti manipur le central BJP sarkar chu buaina tire tura ma la thatok lowa an puwa manipur chief minister N Biren Singh chu na takademin an state a buaina chuak chungchanga mo phona la in kar khat chunga bana thelut ngei turin an ti ni panel member te laka hian Liben Singh chuan Imphal police station a FIR a theluta thudi klo soile mipui than sarkar pai thak le mipui te chu sarkar do tura fui portuma apu ani ma chak biala tangkhul na gapol lienber tangkhul na galong TNL chuan manipura ukhrul district a relief camp siam an du lo TNL hi manipur sarkar hena sarkarin tual chung buaina thlenga wanga mani in le lo tlanchi san te tana omna tura siam relief camp chu ukhrul district a hian siam velo turin angen TNL president David K Simrei chuan ukhrul district a semi permanent relief camp a chuan district dang atanga tlan chiate da ani ve turani lo atibok Simrei chuan manipur sarkar chuan state chunga remna le muanna aom theina turin mundanga tlan chiate chu an in le lo omna lama an kirle theina turin policy asiam angayani ati district dang atanga tlan chiate ukhrul district a da ani chuan TNL chuan atul angin ma an ladona harasana athengani point state sarkar chu mo phurtu ani ang tina soi hemi ma hian nam somni intel khomna United Naga Council UNC chuan manipura kukile meitei inkara buaina thleng chuan naga nam then khatte angonga vawle beite an to pha ni in an lo soi to bok nam pani te inkara buaina chuak meka naga te chu neutral taka an om thu so in manipura buaina chuaka naga nam chu nuk lut lo turin an vo bokani manipur sarkarin mei ni thuma tual chung buaina chuanwa state puma internet service ti top chu chunjom zel alania hetila hian manipur high court chuan state sarkar hena internet service engemaw chen tal pe tawh turin a hriat tir Justice ahan them Bimal Singh le e Gunswar Sharma omna Manipur High Court Division Bench chuan hun rei tak chung internet service ti to pani chungchang hi ngai tu in he thuthlung na hi an siam ani court chuan Manipur Home Department chu mipui te tana internet hong le to tur le internet lease line ILLMO atul chuan fiber to home connection po pe to turin a hriat tir atul chuan sarkarin state himna tur ngai tu chungin a him chin nia hriat te mobile phone chu internet hmang le thei to tura bua sain en china nei turin atibok lease line internet connection hi broadband anglo dewin amang tu tel line khatin tromin an manga fiber to home ero broadband ang thoni in broadband I ero chuan internet connection hi achak zawk ani